It is Joseph here from ACAP. So, welcome to today's update. So, we're looking at Ethereum to the US dollar today. We're looking at it from the daily chart, and we are really just starting to question if we are seeing a new move lower. We did see Bitcoin yesterday make a new break lower. A couple of the top 10 failed to really break those support areas, but Bitcoin did move out of its tight range yesterday. And this morning we're seeing the same thing on Ethereum. We can see here today selling has broken through that short-term support around that 1542 area. Selling is pretty active at this stage, and it is starting to get down to a level that we see as potentially a semi-key level, and that's at 1466. The only reason why we've seen a couple of attempts by sellers at this area to try and break through, but they've all been quashed so far, and we can see one, two, three, really four attempts there. So that's what we're looking to keep an eye on today. If price does get back down there, and if we do break that area, then we'll be starting to really ask the question, is this trend about to start a new leg lower? Until we break that support level and that low here, it's still not confirmed yet. So we have seen one lower high here and another lower high here, and this is after the trend break that we can see here. So that's the logical step for us to see if we do break this area, are we going to continue lower and potentially see a new move down to test some of the lows we saw back in July? Maybe not the lows, but some of the areas that we saw back in July. So again, as stated, Bitcoin's already started, and we're wondering now if momentum has really changed. So the US dollar continues to be a big factor. We saw another strong move overnight. It was a very strong move to the yen, as the yen continues to trade, around those 22-year lows, and the dollar broke into new highs for 2022. And rates, inflation continue to be the key influences for the dollar, and having a negative impact on other markets, for instance, like crypto as well, and with stocks. And we did see some sharp moves lower, especially from the Aussie to the USD overnight, but the risk majors and the dollar had a fantastic night to the yen, and that's the basic movements we're seeing at the moment. Just anything that's really getting hurt by the dollar is moving lower, and obviously the MPEs are moving in their own direction at the moment and ignoring that. So again, back to Ethereum. It was a bit of a late starter. We saw that really nice strong rally yesterday. It did look pretty promising before it got cut back, and now we're just seeing a real exit from Ethereum this morning. And we just want to see what happens at this support area around that 1470 area, and if we do break through that, if we do see a break of that low at 1420, and then if we do see a new continuation lower. So we do ask, if you have any thoughts, or if you want to give us any feedback, or if you have an opinion on Ethereum at the moment, we'd love to hear your comments and hear your thoughts. And if you feel that we've missed anything that you do in your analysis, please feel free to let us know as well. That'll be great to hear from you. So just another heads up, we do have webinars during the week via YouTube. We have guest presenters, and if you are interested in looking into those, please have a look at our YouTube page and our Twitter and Facebook pages as well. So that's it for today's report. If you're feeling short Ethereum, well, please let me know. But if you do think maybe we're going to have a bit of a fight back here and we're not going to eventuate through this low, let me know. But for me at the moment, all things are looking like a trend continuation. This trend break looks pretty consolidated now, and we are seeing that series of lower highs. We just now need to see a new lower low to really show a normal pattern of trend. So again, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for tuning in. We wish you a fantastic rest of your Wednesday, and good trading, and bye for now.